Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing another tips and tricks video, as promised. And the maps we're doing are Glacier, Dizzy, and Aircraft. So first off, there's a little secret. There's a dead brute right there. And even more lore to this map that leads up to that dead brute is over here there's some papers. I guess mechanic wanted and blah blah blah. I think I'm gonna take a walk by the water to take my mind off of all of this. And supposedly that's what people have been thinking is how he died. And here's mechanic's cabin. A scream woke me up this morning. All of them were gone. All of the crew members disappeared during the night. Well, except Brute. Once I get the radio working again, I'm gonna call base to take us home. Sick of this. Because... whoa. You see this? Okay. It's getting even colder here. Way colder than we were expecting. Some of the machines started behaving strange due to the weather. Crystal mine operation day 138. Anyone please help me. Brute still hasn't returned. Brute died. Ugh. I've searched the entire iceberg for him. I have a feeling I'm on my own. I'm so cold. 138, and then under here is 139. Something is in the cabin. I'm writing this while hiding under the desk. Oh no, I think it sees. And he died. Anyway. Yep, that's some secrets. Now on to the actual tricks and tips, whatever. Okay. So, in here, you can get on. There's also the caveman right there. You can get on here, and if anybody comes right there, you can shoot them. Also, this is a really fast way to get between the two places. Like, if your team's spawning over here or right there, you just go quickly over here, and there's gonna be people walking by probably. Really helpful. Anyway, then this Tix bag right here, you can walk through here. This is a great hide and seek spot. I mean, if you have the right skin, it's even better. No. Okay. Also, it's a good idea to camp up there, because you can just spawn camp people that are if they're spawning right there and they go onto the bridge. There's no other way they can go. They can either go into that bridge or that bridge. They can't go anywhere else. So they're just forced to they have to go in a straight line, and you just shoot them as they're going across. And you can also go in here, which is even better because it's harder for them to shoot you. And then when all of them die and your team starts spawning over there, you go over here where their new spawn is. Okay. Next, these things, you can jump around them. It's actually easier than it looks. You just go around. See? Like that. Now, that's about it for Glacier. Glacier is a pretty balanced map. If I don't say myself. I mean, there's not really that many good camping spots, and it's all balanced, I say. Anyway, now moving on to Aircraft. And Actually, tell me what maps you want to see next in this series in the comments below. Because I listen to the comments. There's only like 5 or 6 left. So, you know. I can do Kitchen Chaos, Silo 02, I can do Ice House or Safe House, Snowside, Frozen Frights. Well, there's actually like 6 more. Anyway, back to the tips, whatever. Okay. So a good camping spot is right here. Like when people are coming by, you just like shoot them. And you can do that. Just like peek around the corner and shoot. Like that. And then if you're low on HP, you just go on in. And then just you can also just stab people as they're going by. Anyway, then there's a few ways to get up onto here. Because if you have the high grounds, you have the advantage in Arsenal. Anyway, you can go like this, just jump and crouch. And then you can go like right here and jump, and you can make it on. Then you can go from right here, but it's a better idea to just like go up here. That's like the main way to get up. Then if you're trying to flank, you can go like that. Oh, and to save a lot of time, instead of going like all the way through here and around over here, you can just like go on here. This is actually really useful. And then you can go up here. Also, you can go up these ladders to get on there. High grounds again. And here's another way to get up. If you want to get like really high, I think this jump is actually possible. Yeah. And then just that is a really good strategy. If you spawn right here, just boom. You can just go up here. It's a little hard, but you saw me do it. Anyway, yeah. You just have to like jump on the very edge and crouch. Anyway, then you just boom. You don't even need to crouch for that jump. Also, this shadow for the boat, beautiful. It's just beautiful. Okay. And you can like hide in here if you're doing clown infection. And there's all these windows back here if you want to alert people of your position or something. I don't know, but there's windows back there. Then you can actually fire through there. I mean, there's not much use to it, but I mean, you can. You can do this with most of the boxes because they're not really aligned all the way. What? Huh. Well, yeah, see? That doesn't really help you that much, but... Then here is another way to get up. Just jump and crouch. And this is a really good hide and seek spot. If you just hide back there. I fell down, but let me show you what I mean. So, you go over here. Also, you can get up like that. This is, yeah, you can get up like that. There. But, a really good spot for hide and seek is right here. If you can land on there, then, I mean, nobody will ever find you. Believe me. Also very good for hiding in clown infection. So, yeah. That's assault. I mean, aircraft. Yeah, see? If you can just, like, crouch. And, yeah. But, anyway. That's really hard. That one is really hard to do. Now we're moving on to Dizzy. Dizzy. Very small map. But nonetheless, we're going to do it because we need to do every map. If you're enjoying so far, make sure to press the like button and subscribe because it really helps me out. I'm not kidding, it does. And if you turn on the notification bell, you'll always be notified when I upload a new video. Oh. Okay, now Dizzy. Great monsters. Anyway. Okay, so this, I use it all the time. Just go right here and boom. Great way to flank. Especially if somebody's like camping right here, trying to backstab you. You just like go like this and backstab them. Oh, I've done that once before. It was so satisfying. Okay. Then here is a really good clown infection spot because there's almost no way they can flank you. They can come from the side, but there's no way they'll know about that unless they see this video. Yeah. Then you can get up there. Also very hard, but possible. So, and then here is a really good spot, another really good spot for clown infection. You just go onto there. And you can go on here, just like camp in a regular game. And, like, you can kill people over there. But anyway, next. I think in this wall or that one there's an Easter egg. It says something, but I've never been able to read it. Get like one of your friends to kill you, and then you can see inside the wall, or you can spectate them when they're like right here. And here's an Easter egg. Has anyone actually seen this message? Well, in fact, people have. Does the Super Bowl push you? Whoa, okay. This is weird. Anyway, This is a good hiding. I mean, not. This is a good camping spot. Just like go look out the windows and shoot. Anyway. Here is a good camping spot. A lot of good camping spots in Dizzy. And if you go on here and then jump, you can get up there. They're just, you don't even need to crouch. You just jump and push on the thing. And you can go from here to there. You can do the same thing on the other side. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. See you later, boy.